Hey guys, back with another video for you guys, and it is time. It is time. So in 17 hours, 47 minutes, and 10 seconds, oh man, it's going live with the NFT sale. That 10K NFT sale is going live in 17 hours, 47 minutes. And so with that, I wanted to do this video to show you guys how you'll be able to buy the NFTs tomorrow. As well as you stick around, I'm going to tell you how you could win a free NFT. So I think you're going to like this video, so stick around. Okay, guys, we're going to start off by making sure you have Ethereum in there. And then after that, you're going to go here and put in Hodltoken.net/NFT and make sure you have you on the Ethereum network. And then you're going to go here, right? And you click this button right here. You connect your wallet. You put how many you want. You hit mint. You pay the gas fee. You got to go through that, put your password in. And then after you put your password, hit confirm. And then just like that, you just bought yourself a new NFT. And so, yep, you come here, go back, and then you go to your NFT section, right? You click NFT, and boom, there it is, there it is. So this is really nice. I really like it. So I just wanted to do this video for you guys to show you guys how it's done. Okay, guys, now for the giveaway. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. So if you've stayed and watched this video all the way up to this point, I definitely want to give you an opportunity to win an NFT. And so whoever gives the best comments in the comment section, I am going to go look through them. And what I'm going to do is on October 1st, I will pick somebody from the comment section of my website to be able to give them a free NFT. And so all I will do is go through the comment section and randomly select somebody from the comment section, and you will get to win a free NFT. And so yeah, so that's I'm saying thank you for the support. And so what I will do is I will reach out to you and say you're the winner, and I will ask you just for the address to send the NFT to, and that's it. I will never ask you to send me anything or to give me access to anything. It was just a matter of your public address for me to send the NFT to, and that's it. And so if anybody ever contacts you to say that they're me, they need you to send them something or connect, well, it's not me. I will never do that. And so this is the first giveaway that I'm doing for the channel, and I'm really excited about it. And so I'm glad I'm going to be able to get an NFT and then and be able to give it out on October 1st. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. You might be able to win an NFT. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.